I got a funny feeling. I got a funny feeling.
All right, so now that we are on the Google page, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and go on the top bar and type in simplesignals.com. Now that you have typed in simplesignals.com on your browser, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and you see where it says MT4 Mac. Go ahead and click on that. It should start your download, and as soon as it starts your download, once it's uploaded, the next step for you is going to go ahead and open that download. Now that you have opened your download, these two things are going to go ahead and pop up. You're simply going to go ahead and put OK, and then you're going to cross this over to application. Now that you have crossed this over to applications, it's going to go ahead and start the download. So it may take a couple seconds, it may take a couple minutes, depending on how fast your computer may be. Once it is downloaded, you will hear that little thump noise, and that means that you have now downloaded MT4 for your Mac. So simply exit out of this. Next step is going to go ahead and just minimize, go to search bar, type in MT4, and there you have. If you don't have MT4 right here, you will have it on the right side or in your desktop. So you can simply just go ahead and click on that, double click on it. Sometimes it may ask you to go ahead and do so again, stop replace. So I'm just going to continue on clicking on it until it allows me to open it up. You may have to replace it, not all times, but in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and put replace to see if everything has gone properly. So that has been done. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on this. Click on open, and there you have it down below. You can just go ahead and simply click on it, and you have MT4 downloaded for your Mac. Now this download is for your newest update. You can go ahead and just click on install. It's going to go ahead and download. Once it's downloaded, that means that all the settings, all information required for you to start trading from your Mac has been there. So I hope this video has helped you guys tremendously. I know a lot of people, a lot of individuals have been asking on how to download for the newest update of Mac. You do not need to have a parallel software. You do not have to have nothing downloaded for you to make it look like you have a Windows. This is completely for Mac with no downloads, with no third parties, simply for Mac. So with that said, guys, if this video was able to help you guys out, simply go ahead and show some love down below on the comments and smash that like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys have a great one. Bye-bye.